What's up, YouTube? All right, this is beta box number 6. Just got this beta box in. It was 580 smacks, $80 I think it was 580 bucks. Just got it in, so I'm gonna bust it open, get through it real quick, do a nice little video, see what we got up in here. So y'all ready to see what we got? Let's see what we got here. All right, so let's see how I can open this without cutting myself. All right, so this is beta box number 6. 580 or 585, I think it was. And let's see what's in this bad boy. All right. To cut myself. All right. So we got this open, and I do not see any shoes without a box. Without a box, I do not see any shoes without a box. Can't close the knife up. Look at that. Oh, there we go. All right. So the first box is a Jordan face box. Can you see that? There we go. All right. And it is an Air Jordan 12 Retro, size 11. Let's see the color on here. Black, varsity red. This might be a bread, huh? Let's see. All right, size 11. Yep. This is a Flue Game. What I'm talking about, bread? This is Flue Game. Don't know what year, but this is a Flue Game, size 11. Alright. This is pre-owned. And, oh, I should have brought it over here. Can you see that? Alright, this is pre-owned from I don't know. Pre-owned from what year though? Okay, this is 2003. This is 2003 Flue Game. Alright. Kind of beat. See a little sole separating here. These are kind of beat here. So, if you're interested in any of these shoes, just email me. My email will be down below. Yeah. See the sole separating right here. Alright, let's keep it moving. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these here. Alright, that's a Flue Game, size 11. From 2003. Nike box. This is the Air Max 95 Premium, size 10. Let's see what we got. Alright. Pre-owned. Okay. So those are pre-owned. Size 10. Alright. Next is Air Trainer 3, size 8. Pre-owned. See, that's why I like opening these boxes up like right here, because it's like dog hair or something right here, but it's okay. Alright, can you see that? These are in decent shape right here. Soles are clean, shoe is clean. Got a little hair on them though, but I knocked that off. These are pre-owned right here. Now we got an Air Max, Nike Air Max 95 OG Premium, size 10. Pre-owned as well. These are in really nice condition. As you can see. Alright. Soles are good. Okay. That's that. Next is a Nike box. An Air Jordan 12 Retro, size 10. Alright. And it is these here. Let's see. It is playoffs. Are these new? Bottom don't look dirty. But what? I don't know if these are, no, somebody wrote on them right here. A little B or something. But they don't look like they've been worn. These look really, let's see. These look really, really, really good. I don't know if these are, I'm gonna have to look at these a little bit more. These might be dead stock right here. Okay? They might be dead stock, I don't know, I have to look at them. But the bottoms, look at the bottoms. Bottoms are clean, don't even look like they've been on the ground. Got two more. Got another Jordan face box. Jordan 12, size 10. Man, got a lot of Jordan 12s. Size 10. The other shoes must came from the same owner too. Let's see. These are, I don't know if these are dead stock or not. Alright. Jordan 12. But the bottoms don't look dirty. Now these are dead stock. You can tell, you can smell them and tell. These are dead stock. Okay? Yep. So that's a size 10 and it's Jordan 12. Alright, last one is this box. Now what is this? This is Jordan box. This is an Air Jordan 3 Lab 5. Oh, okay. These are dope. This is these are pre-owned, or are they? Yeah, they've been worn, but smell good though. Yeah, these been worn. This is a size 11. This is the 3 Lab 5s, right? Yeah, 3 Lab 5s. I know these shoes. All right. So that's it right here. Pre-owned. If you're interested in any of these shoes, here's the soles. My email is down below. We can do everything through PayPal. Got this little card in here. What is this? Got this little card in here. Alright. If you're interested in any of these shoes, you can email me. Alright. And we can take care of business from this air. Alright. Holler at you later. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. And if you have any comments, you can comment, but you know, keep the comments cordial. If you don't like what something I said or something, just keep them cordial. I don't mind that. Alright. Peace.